Rocket launch. Hey, launch, anything.
There it goes.
So Neptune Strike is a real opportunity for us not to just talk about or participate in a maritime strike capability, but it's really to demonstrate the multi-domain, multi-operational JOA perspective of how the alliance can operate across a spectrum of land-to-air integration. So when we talk about Neptune strikers, there's a tendency to naturally focus on the maritime capability here, but when we talk multi-domain operations, when we talk about how we operate across the joint operating area, then it's not just isolated to the maritime. You have to have all components working in unity, and that is the strength of NATO and of our allies. So my forces in particular will operate as an advanced force to set conditions for a joint force enablement, whether that be land forces or whether that be maritime forces. But actually, everything has to work in harmony together to be able to achieve the effect, and a credible effect as well. The UK has been very clear that NATO first is our approach at a strategic level. We recognise the importance of not just UK and national, but the transatlantic security. So this is just another opportunity to prove what the UK can do and contribute to NATO, but also what it can do in terms of making it scalable and to reassure our allies and our partner forces of our contribution.
Ce genre d'entraînement est très important pour la France, pour montrer qu'elle est capable de s'intégrer dans ce genre d'exercice en coalition. Ça permet à tous les bateaux, et en tout cas aux bateaux français, de montrer qu'elle est capable de mener des opérations maritimes en coalition avec nos partenaires de l'OTAN. Donc c'est important aussi de pouvoir s'entraîner en coalition afin de s'assurer que tout le monde utilise les mêmes procédures, et l'OTAN est un excellent moyen pour cela. Actuellement, la situation géopolitique est plutôt tendue dans la région, et donc c'est important de montrer que l'OTAN est capable d'assurer la sécurité des frontières de l'Europe. Et donc ce genre d'exercice